I finally got the mini PC that I ordered. It took me like almost 3 weeks before it was delivered. So the reason why I bought this is my laptop was water damage and it needs to be replaced with a new motherboard, but it's 43,000 pesos. That's gonna suck. I thought of buying a mini PC and then get the SSD and the RAM, 8 gig, and then 512. So here it is. Let's start. Come on, gravity, help me out here. Gravity. There you go. We got a foam, a little foam, but I need to pull out the device. Oh, it's too small. So this is a RAM, a laptop RAM, and then look at the size. It's very small. It's got a bit of heavy, half a kilo, I think. I'm not really sure, but let's put this here first. So got a foam. What's this? Manual, maybe? Or the accessories? I think it's the accessories. There we go. Oh, I think it is. So we got the user manual, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna read that. We got an HDMI cable. Then there's like a bracket so we can put it at the back of a monitor. And it's kind of like oxidated, but it doesn't matter as long as the main device works. And got 4 rubber dots here. Could be for the stand. And yeah, the manual, and of course the power adapter. The front panel is scratched, but no worries, there's a protective plastic there which you can peel out later. Okay, so those 4 dots are gonna be here after I pull it out and install the RAM and the memory card. Okay. Okay, so it's totally blank. Of course, that's what I ordered. I need to put the SSD first, and it's gonna go right here. And then there's a screw. I need to screw it out first before I put in the. Okay, be careful. We need to be careful. Okay, it's in. Now we just need to screw it in back. Okay. Whoop. Okay. Got shaky hands here. What do you expect? I'm 41 years old. Okay, so yeah. I think it's securely placed in. So there we have it. Now I'm gonna have to do the RAM. I'm gonna have to put this at the bottom because it has a protective what you call that, insulator, I think. But yeah, you have to put it first. Okay, then this is the last one. Okay, there we go. For the audio, And then now I'll just do that later. I'm gonna put in the wireless mouse connection, receiver. Did I do it right? Yeah, should be here. And then this is for the keyboard. It's hard to push. Why? I guess that's already good. Then HDMI cable. Okay, put it here. Everything's hard to push in. Could be because it's brand new. Anyways, so this is for it, of course, the monitor. Now I've got the power supply here. So let's go. Power on. And it's turning on. Okay, it is working. So there we have it, GenMachine. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and there you see it, GenMachine. See you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.